So, Marco, did it ever occur to you while traveling on a train from Munich to Stuttgart how this train came to be? I mean, it must have been a humongous task to build something like that.
Absolutely, and indeed, it's a very exciting topic as well, especially when you're a kid sitting on a train looking out of the window. And apart from looking around, you were probably also asking yourself, how's this train got assembled uh, without losing parts, of course,
Yeah.
during the journey. So, Attica, what do you think? Who would be a good expert in this field to share his insights with us?
Well, luckily we have Thomas Miller, who has decades of experience scheduling trains for Bombardier and now Alstom. And other than train projects, he has experience with nuclear projects as well, right?
Correct, and yeah, but his main focus is really with trains, and this is why he's here. And yeah, we are looking forward for his insights.
Yeah, okay, so enough from us. Now let's hear from Thomas Miller. Tom, over to you.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to be able to speak with all of you. And yes, I have a lot of scheduling experience in the design of trains, signaling systems. But where I really learned the structure and discipline of scheduling was in the nuclear industry. And that experience I've carried with me throughout my career. So, what I hope to bring to the workshop is not only a refresher on the importance of scheduling, but also show you how I've used Primavera for CPM scheduling, capacity planning, and earned value management in a global company and the keys to success. So hopefully you take away something from this workshop that you can apply to your job. So see you in June.
Well, that sounds great, Tom. And if you're interested in our workshop on project and capacity planning with Tom, then don't forget to register. Myself, Attica, and
Marco?
from the PD Workshop team are looking forward to welcoming you at the event. So, Marco, how are they supposed to register and all?
It's actually pretty easy. Just go on our website, www.pmi-gc.de. Take a look for our event calendar for the month of June, because the event takes place on June the 10th, starting by 5:30 p.m. And we are looking forward to see you on the event.
Yeah, see you there.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.